Very good afternoon to all. Right, let's um, start a new concept in exploring forces. Class 8th, Class 8th Physics chapter Exploring Forces. We already discussed force is due to interaction, force has direction as well, magnitude, force has direction as well, magnitude, and types of forces. Types of forces based on the interaction between based on the interaction between two objects. Force is classified mainly classified into two types. One is contact force and the other one is non-contact force. Contact force is the force is comes into play. A force is comes into play when there is a direct physical contact between the two objects. Between the two objects, such force is called contact forces. In that contact forces, we have four types of contact forces. One is muscular force. One is muscular force. Then the second one is friction. Friction. Then the third one is normal force. Normal force. Then the tension. Then tension. Let us discuss one by one with some examples. With some examples today. Contact forces, non-contact forces. In that first one, muscular force. The first one is muscular force. Muscular force. Simply we know force exerted by force exerted by our body muscles. Force exerted by our body muscles called muscular force. So we are able to do many activities or the actions in our day-to-day life because of muscles present in our body. Muscles present in our body. If I am able to any object, if I want to able to any object, then what will happen? I must use my body muscle. Without body muscles, I am able to hold it. If I want to stand, if I want to sit, if I want to move, if I want to run, if I want to jump, if I want to jump, or if I want to sleep, whatever body muscles are required. So we are sitting, we are standing, we are playing, we are jumping, we are riding bicycle, we are riding a bike, we are playing with the friends, we are fighting with the friends, we are lifting bucket of water, we are lifting a full bucket of full bottle of water, we are able to carry our school bag, we are able to carry our lunch bag, right? Whatever the actions we are able to do, we are able to do because of our body exert some force on the object. So we are able to lift the any object. If I want to take this book from the ground, I must be apply my body muscle. or if I want to hold these these two objects, then our body muscles means my muscles must be help me to hold the object. To throw this object also, we need to require a muscular force. It require muscular force. So, body muscles exert some force on the object, then we are able to lift it, or we are able to hold the any object. We are able to hold the any object. So actions like stretching, running, playing, jumping, sleeping, eating, fighting, uh, with all our takes place, all are carrying in our day-to-day life because of our body muscles. So our body muscles exerts some force on the object, exerts on the object. Such force is called muscular force. Muscular force. So, this muscular force is exerted on the body by the expansion or contraction of body muscles. So, is it example for muscular force? Is it example for contact force? Yes, muscular force is example for contact force. It is an it is a contact force. It is a contact force because of there must be a contact with the object. A contact with the object. If I want to hold the duster, I must be a contact with this duster. Otherwise, no force is exist. Then my body muscles exert the force. That's why I am able to hold the object. I am able to hold the object properly. So, not only the outside activities, inside our body, the digestion, respiration, and heartbeat also caused because of our body muscles. During inhalation and exhalation, the size of the lungs are expand and contracted due to diaphragm has some muscles, right? So, due to the expansion and the contraction of these muscles or causes expansion and the contraction of lungs. Then the heartbeat also carried out because because of cardiac muscle. The digestive system pull down the food into the digestive part because of body muscles. So, body muscles means muscles in our body playing a very important role. So, not only the human beings, animals, animals also exerts a force on the other because of they also have muscles. They also exert some force on it. They also exert some force on it. So a simple topic, this is muscular force, force exerted by body muscles on the object called muscular force. It is an example for contact force because to do the activity, to lift the activity, to lift the any object, to carry the any object, there must be a contact with the object. Otherwise, we cannot perform any activities in our day-to-day life. In our day-to-day life. So, body muscles playing a very important role in our day-to-day life. Day-to-day life. So, due to the expansion and contraction of body muscles, due to the expansion and contraction of body muscles, could applied force on the body, force on the body. So, whenever we stretch our hand like this, so when we touch the upper muscle and when we touch the downward muscle, I have no muscle, so that's why I'm not showing properly, right? See, right. If when I stretch my hand, when I stretch my hand, so the upward muscle is expanded, the downward muscle is contracted. once i once I fold my hand, once I fold my hand, what will happen here? The upper muscle is contracted, the downward muscle is relaxed, means expanded. So due to this expansion and expansion and contraction of our body muscles, applied efforts on the object, efforts on the object. So we are doing many activities in our day-to-day life, in our day-to-day life, due to body muscles exerts force, body muscles exerts force, right? So this is easy topic, understand very easily.